What is up, YouTube? This video is going to be a review of the 2019 Plus Mazda 3 Cat Back Exhaust from CorkSport. Appreciate you watching the video. Let's get into it. Alright, so here we got the 2019 Mazda 3 Cat Back Exhaust from CorkSport. In this video, I'll just be really doing a sound comparison, as when I went to install it, it was rainy, I had my camera, but it's pretty simple and they give you good instructions. I'll be installing on a non-turbo all-wheel drive sedan 2020, and here you can see all the models that it's compatible with, but it's pretty much compatible with any of the 2019 Mazda 3s. I hope this video helps you determine if you guys should get it or not. And that being said, let's go ahead and jump into the sound comparison. Only this portion of this video is recorded on my phone camera and microphone. The rest is recorded on a mirrorless camera and digital microphone. I do apologize about that. Just ran out of time. Alrighty, and that's that. Hope this video helped you guys. Sorry it wasn't the quality I usually do, but hey, it's there. If you like it, you like it. You don't, you don't. But I hope it helped if you are looking to buy it. My final thoughts would be that, you know, $800, I think it's worth it. You know, if you love your car, you want it to sound better, this is quick and easy. CorkSport's great company. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I try to post as often as possible. And if you guys see anything in this video that you think I could do better, feel free to comment below. Not gonna hurt my feelings. This is gonna help me as a person, as a video creator. And I appreciate it, guys.